That's why you want to watch it.
You said my name. Why did you say my name? Say you want me.
All right.
Okay.
On your mark. Get set. Go. And they're off. There you go.
Go, boys, go.
Good job. On either end, they're doing
Keep
pretty
going,
good.
shovel it, boys, shovel it. Go, go, go.
This way, sorry.
Come on, think of Mordecai eating the excellent breakfast. Let's go, guys. You can do it.
Shove it in your mouth.
Right here.
Stick your face in it.
Keep going, go, 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 go. Shovel it down. Come on, little kids are beating you guys. Let's go.
I'm being so good. Who's beating you?
Come on, never mind chewing. Chewing is for wimps. Come on.
Yeah, just hold it down like a vacuum.
Come on, you can do it.
Quit it.
Keep eating.
We got some good.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Filling first, filling first. Go, go, go. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. You can beat him, you're doing good. Double it in. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna give you guys about 1 more minute.
1 more minute, use what you can, guys.
Oh my God, that kid's actually pretty far.
Come on, go, Aaron, come on, you're winning.
Don't think about it. You're winning.
Don't bother chewing.
Don't chew it, just shove it in your
Down
mouth.
to 45 seconds.
45 seconds, come on, Eddie.
Okay, I'm squeezing back to here. Okay, Ace
You're
of
winning.
Five.
You're winning, come on, go.
Think about it,
Shove
just
it in your
eat
mouth.
it.
Don't barf. Okay, Ed. Come on.
Eat the crust.
Come on, hurry up, shove
30
it.
seconds left. 30 seconds
Come
left.
on, 30 seconds.
Your son is really not my best friend right now.
Eat anyway.
Over there, push your brother.
Right now, it looks like Ace of Pies. You might just be having it.
Come